When we think of the word energy, we tend to think about how it powers our daily lives, but understanding energy and how it's transferred from an ecological point of view is vital to improve our understanding of the natural world. Now, energy and energy transfer is occurring all around me, and it's that transfer that's responsible for the beautiful diversity, biomass, and composition of organisms all around me. So let's go check it. The sun accounts for all the original energy in the ecosystem. This solar energy is expressed as light and is captured by organisms known as producers or plants, where through the process of photosynthesis they convert it into chemical energy in the form of glucose. Creatures like the shingleback skink feed heavily on the vegetation and therefore receive the chemical energy that's stored in the plants. We call the rate of energy that is transferred from one organism to another productivity. This is where it gets interesting, because energy transfer in ecosystems is actually a very inefficient process. Only a small quantity of energy, we say around 10% of net productivity from one organism, can be transferred to the next organism, because most of it is lost in bodily processes like cellular processes and digestion, or also activity. A pyramid diagram can make this concept easy to understand. Plants, being producers, are on the lowest tier, receiving 100% energy from the sun. I grabbed some perfect insect prey from the shops at a whopping 150 kilojoules per 10 grams. Now, if a magpie eats all 10 grams, not only will it have a massive sugar high, using 90% of the worm's energy, but 15 kilojoules, 10%, will remain in the animal's biomass, and so on up the food chain. So the rapidly decreasing amount of net productivity between members going up the food chain, it accounts for the abundance and biomass of organisms in an ecosystem. Plants have the sun as a direct source of energy, giving 100% energy, and you can see the biomass of plants around me is way more substantial than any other organism.